Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I am gonna be putting a starlight headliner in this 2021 Peterbilt 389. So the very first thing is gonna be removing that headliner. So this video is gonna be for going from all the way from 2007 I believe to 2023 year Peterbilt. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same for all these years. So yeah, let's dive into it. Okay, so inside the Peterbilt, you're gonna have to take the columns which go on this corner, take the seat belt bolt off. This is just held, this little piece is held with just the clips this side, and on the passenger side I just popped this column just off, and for this front piece it's just held with the clips, but there are a couple screws here. Take those off and then it should just come off. It's not gonna come entirely off. It's still like stuck somewhere here, but I'm not gonna deal with that. I think I can get it off without dealing with that. And then for the speakers, take off the front plastic of the speakers, and then there are four screws behind it. Take those off and take it out. For these lights, you will see this outside plastic is held with rivets, so don't pry them off, it's gonna break. It was sketchy just to get the inside out, but that's how it should come out, just the inside of the lights. And I think that's it. Remove the back column, lots of screws on the back, and I think now it should come off like this. Let me just pull it off and see if it's gonna come off. If not, then I'll tell you how to remove this. Okay, so I did got this headliner off without removing that front trim. It's better if you have a help. It's a lot easier with two guys. My brother was helping with me, so that's good. So we got this off, and now we are gonna put the lights in it. Okay, so I got all the fiber optic cables into the headliner. Fairly easy step, just mark the pattern and drill the holes and feed the optic cables through it. And this is how it should look like. Now let's put it back into the truck. So it's all installed, everything is put back together. Now I am gonna cut it to the length like that. Alright guys, so everything is buttoned up, and this is how it looks. Let me just go outside. So that's gonna be it for this video here. Let me know what do you guys think about this. I think it turned out pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in next one.